Welcome to my presentation of chemical bonds. Today I'll be showing you a presentation of chemical bonds. Let's get started. Chemical bonds. What are they? Chemical bonds can be defined as the force of attraction between two atoms or ions that hold together in a unit is called chemical bond. Actually, chemical bond is the main factor that makes molecules and compounds. By the interaction of outer electrons, great forces of attraction are developed between two atoms. This force of attraction is called chemical bond. Types of chemical bond. There are three types of chemical bonds: ionic bond or electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and coordinate covalent bond. Now, ionic bond or electrovalent bonds. Chemical bonds form between two atoms due to transfer of electrons from one atom to the other. Atom is called ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Explanation of ionic bond or electrovalent bond. In ionic bond formations, one atom loses electrons and the other picks it up. The atom that loses the electron acquires a positive charge, and the other atom which gains the electron becomes a negatively charged particle. Due to the opposite charges of the electrical static force of an attraction is set up between them. This force holds these atoms together in a unit. This force of attraction is referred to as an ionic bond. Formations of ionic bond between sodium and chloride. Electrical arrangement of sodium, 12 electrons, and this stuff, K2, L8, and M1. Electrical configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. It has one valence electron. The loss of the valence electron from sodium atom, 495 kilojoules of energy, is needed. Due to the low ionization potential value, the sodium atom loses its valence electron. Electronic arrangement after losing an electron is K2, L8, and M0. Electronic configuration after losing an electron is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6. This shows that the octet is complete. Due to the loss of one electron, sodium becomes positively charged. Electron arrangement of chlorine is 17 17 valence electrons. Electrons. It's K2, L8, and M7. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p5. Chlorine atom needs one electron to complete its octet. The gain of one electron by chlorine atom releases 348 kilojoules of energy. Electron lost by sodium, the sodium atom picks up by the chlorine atom. Electronic arrangement after acquiring an electron, K2, L8, and M8. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p6. It shows that the octet is also complete. Chlorine atom is now converted into chlorine negatively charged ion, but we know that the positive and negative charged ion attract each other. Therefore, an electrostatic force of attraction is set up between sodium positively charged and chlorine negatively charged. This force unites these two ions in a unit. In this way, ionic bond is formed between sodium and chlorine atoms, which results in a formation of sodium chloride. Formations of ionic bond between sodium and chlorine as examples. The electron lost by sodium atom is gained by a chlorine atom to produce a sodium ion and chlorides ion. One formula unit of sodium chloride, as you could see, basic conditions for formation of bond of ionic bonds. Two atoms must be different. Ionization potential of one atom must be small. Electron affinity of second atom must be high. Electronegativity of second atom must also be high. Difference between E and N between two